Hello everyone, Sanya Vakil this side, your English educator. I hope you all are doing well. So today I have come here with an amazing topic, Rain on the Roof, which is an amazing poem which has been written by Coach Skinny. Okay, so let's start our topic without any further ado. Okay, about the poem. Coach Skinny was born in 1826 and died in 1904. He was an American lawyer, journalist, and poet. He was famous for his nostalgic and lyrical poem, which is Rain on the Roof. Introduction to the poem. A lyrical poem that celebrates the sound of rain, evokes nostalgia and childhood memories, expresses the emotional and soothing impact of rain. Theme of the poem are: point number one, nostalgia and childhood memories, nature's music and emotional healing, connection between rain and human feelings. These are the poetic devices: alliteration, humid hoover, darling dreamers, or onomatopoeia, patter of the rain, imagery, visual and auditory imagery of the rain, and personification, memory is described as coming alive. Explanation stanza 1. The poet lies on his bed and hears the raindrops. The sound of the rain creates a calm and cozy feeling for him. It brings joy and peace to his heart. Explanation stanza number 2. The poet begins to daydream. As the rain continues, he recalls fond memories from his past. His mind wanders freely with the rhythm of the rain. Explanation stanza number 3. The poet remembers his mother, her affectionate look and care come alive in his thoughts. Rain serves as a trigger for these deep emotional memories. Message and moral. Nature can connect us to our past. Rain can be comforting and emotionally powerful. Memories of loved ones stay with us forever. And tone and mood of this poem is: tone gentle, emotional and nostalgic, and mood soothing and reflective. Structure of the poem are: regular rhyming schemes, A B A B double C, lyrical and musical quality, easy and melodic flow of words. Conclusion: Rain on the Roof touches the heart with its emotional depth, celebrates the bond between nature and memory. A simple rain can awaken our deepest feeling. I hope you like this poem and this video too. Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you and have a wonderful day.